Come on, cutie. Hey, tuxedo. Has anyone told you you look like a tuxedo? You want some water? Hey. Come on. There we go. Look. There's your water. Well, yeah. There we go. He's like, what the hell is that? What is that? You're my third stray cat. Oh, and there's a dead lizard. Already. Either that or he's plain dead. I don't know. Well, I know I brought Abby to the right place. My goal is to spread her ashes here somewhere on Milos. I was thinking maybe all 3 islands. Maybe even Delos. I might go to Delos. Hey, Tux.